Did you know that 9 out of 10 users say that an online review is as important as a recommendation, and that 3 out of 4 users say that they will trust a business if it has reviews? So if you have a service-based business, you're a healthcare practitioner, a healthpreneur, or a coach, you're probably bombarded with these requests for SEO optimization. So what's that? Why does it cost so much? And I want to share with you that there is another way. So hang tight. You're probably great at what you do, but times have changed and our online presence actually matters. Your patients and clients need to find you and read about you online. When I went to naturopathic school, it was all about knowledge and gaining proficiency in my skills. It was about talent, right? It was about could you be the best in your field? Could you help the most people? And knowledge and hard work was really enough. And I bet when you got skilled in your field of study and built your practice, it was about being good at it, right? Can you serve the clients? I think that's how most of us operated. That's where our mentality was. And here's what's just blowing my mind. It's not about knowledge and skills anymore. It's not about your performance. It's about your attention. And the person who gets the most exposure will get the most clients. And let me be very clear. You won't get clients forever if you're bad at what you do. You still have to be good, but you won't get any clients by just being good at what you do anymore. Businesses and practices can literally close because of online reviews. Sure, you may have great referrals, but people trust reviews, and I'm talking about online reviews. Now, 1 billion users on Instagram, 76% of those users purchased something that was referred by someone else on Instagram. Gone are the days where you can hide out in your practice or in your business, where you could close the door of your practice, or you could, be in the back room of your home doing your modality. It doesn't work anymore. And I share this with you, a heavy heart, because my passion is to help people who love to help people. And these are the people most impacted by this trend. And I love seeing complementary health flourish in the world. And you cannot help more people in the world without being visible in the world. We're in 2019, and it's the world we're living in. And so my gift and what I do with people has shifted a little bit. It used to be about training modality. It used to be everything focused on the modality and being an excellent practitioner so you could be great. And now I also focus helping you step out and be seen so that your greatness matters. If this speaks to you and you need help attracting more clients and being found, please join my free 5-day introductory training, and let's get you exposed so that the people who you can help can find you, and that you become a trusted business when people check you out. Thanks for listening, and hope to see you shortly. There's a link somewhere that you can join. Looking forward.